Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Now, to try to understand what is the age of Brahma by calculating one day. Your Sahasra Juga. We have got 4 Yugas. Sattva, Treta, Dapar, Kali. These are called 4. This calculation is 43,100,000 of years. That is the sum total of the 4 Yugas. 18, 12, 8 and 4. How many comes? 18 and 12? 30. And then 8, 38, then 4. This is rough calculation. 42, 43. Then Sahasra Juga Parjantam. So many years, Sahasra Juga Parjantam. Arhat means day. Sahasra Juga Parjantam Arhat Jat Brahmano Vidu. This is the one day of Brahma. One day means morning to evening. 43,100,000 of years, your calculation. Therefore, these things are to be understood through the Shastra. Otherwise, you have no knowledge. You cannot calculate. You cannot go to Brahma. You cannot go even to the moon planet. And what to speak of? Brahmalok is the ultimate, the remotest part of this universe. So, by your direct experience, you cannot calculate. And neither you can go. They estimate, the modern aeronautics, they estimate that in order to go to the topmost planet, we require 40,000 of years by going in the light year. Then just like light year, we have got calculated. So, we cannot estimate by direct perception, even in this material world. And what to speak of the spiritual world? Not. Panthas koti satavassa samprabhamma vayu rathapi manasu manipungavana. By mental, manipunga means mental speculation. You can go on mental speculating. But if you do, even for many hundreds and thousands of years, it is not possible to calculate. You have to accept this truth through the Shastra, otherwise it is not possible. Therefore Krishna said, Nitya Sukta Sarir Ukta. Ukta means it is said. Not that I am presenting some dogma, although he can do so. He is Supreme Personality. This is the method. Unless there is Ukta, said by authorities, previous authorities, acharyas, you cannot say anything. This is called parampara. You try to understand with your intelligence, but you cannot make any additional alteration. That is not possible. That is what is called Nitya Sokta. It is said. It is already settled. You cannot argue. Nitya Sokta Saririna Anashina Apramesha. Immeasurable. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.